In a peaceful kingdom lived a kind-hearted girl named Prunella. Her heart was pure, and kindness guided every step she took. In a peaceful kingdom lived a kind-hearted
where a powerful witch guarded secrets of ancient magic. Furious at the intrusion, the witch cursed Prunella.
"You shall serve me for 7 years!"
And so began Prunella's life in the witch's tower. The tower was cold and lonely.
Yet Prunella never complained.
She worked with patience and grace. The witch observed her kindness silently. Even in darkness, her heart remained bright. One night, she found a wounded sparrow. She cared for it with love. For the first time, the witch felt something change. Far away, Prince Edmund sensed dark magic rising. He set out to discover its source. A wise woman stopped him on the path. This crystal will break any curse when true love speaks.
Guided by hope, he followed the light. At last, he reached the witch's tower. And there he saw her, his true love. The enchanted crystal began to glow.
True love shattered the witch's curse. The witch stood in silence.
Loneliness had hardened her heart. But Prunella forgave her with compassion.
For the first time, Morgana felt kindness.
Prince Edmund took Prunella home.
Her mother welcomed her with tears of joy.
Even Morgana was forgiven. She began learning kindness.
Love blossomed between them.
Will you marry me?
A grand wedding was prepared. They were married in joy and magic.
Morgana used her magic for good.
Kindness changed everything.
Soon, a daughter was born. Kindness, forgiveness, and true love have the power to transform every heart.